Chicken tacos recipe. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade: 1½ pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons lime juice, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. For the taco filling: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 bell pepper, any color, sliced, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the taco shells and toppings: 12 small tortillas, corn or flour, depending on your preference, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, chopped fresh cilantro, sliced avocado, crumbled queso fresco or shredded cheddar cheese, lime wedges, for serving, sour cream, for serving, hot sauce, for serving, optional. Instructions. Marinate the chicken. 1. In a bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lime juice, minced garlic, ground cumin, chili powder, paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to create the marinade. 2. Place the chicken breasts in a shallow dish or a resealable plastic bag. 2. Pour the marinade over the chicken, ensuring it's fully coated. 2. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, up to 4 hours to allow the flavors to meld. Cook the chicken. 1. Preheat the grill or a stovetop grill pan over medium-high heat. 2. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, and is no longer pink in the center. 3. Remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. 3. Slice it into thin strips or shred it using 2 forks. Prepare the taco filling. 1. Add the chopped onion, sliced bell pepper, and diced jalapeno pepper. 2. Add the minced garlic, ground cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper to the skillet. 2. Stir and cook for an additional minute to allow the spices to release their flavors. 3. Add the sliced or shredded chicken to the skillet and toss it with the vegetables and spices until well combined. 3. Cook for a few more minutes to heat the chicken through. Assemble the chicken tacos. 1. Warm the tortillas by wrapping them in aluminum foil and placing them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 5 minutes, or until heated through. 2. Take a warm tortilla and spoon a generous amount of the chicken filling onto the center. 3. Top the chicken filling with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro, sliced avocado, and crumbled queso fresco or shredded cheddar cheese. 4. Squeeze a lime wedge over the filling for a burst of tangy freshness. 5. If desired, add a dollop of sour cream and drizzle hot sauce over the toppings to add creaminess and a spicy kick. Serve and enjoy. 1. Place the assembled chicken tacos on a platter and serve immediately while still warm. 2. Accompany the tacos with additional lime wedges, sour cream, and hot sauce for guests to customize their tacos according to their preferences. 3. These tacos pair perfectly with Mexican rice, black beans, or a side of salsa for a complete and satisfying meal. Conclusion. With this unique and latest recipe for zesty chicken tacos, you can elevate your taco game and delight your guests with an explosion of flavors. The marinated and grilled chicken, combined with the vibrant spices and fresh toppings, will create a fiesta in your mouth. Enjoy the irresistible combination of textures and tastes in every bite and savor the culinary adventure that is these chicken tacos with a zesty twist.